Right, let's shift our focus to matters business. My name is Calvin Nyakundi. Now, poor financial management in the MSME sector is leading to the closure of about 400,000 small-medium enterprises annually. Now, according to reports, lack of management structures and financial knowledge is leading to many businesses closing shop. Financial institutions are now coming up with programs that will provide opportunities for small businesses to educate on financial matters while using digital systems to strengthen the sector.
Today, we are proud to say that we do have unsecured facilities for SMEs. The question is, how do you present your financials? Can we be able to track the money? Is there an account? Is there, an M-Pesa account that we can be able to look at? SMEs that, go and look and copy others and then just copy for what you know you can see is not the right way to go. The environment is very challenging.
You find most SMEs will just look at their business thinking it's small. When it grows, they don't realize it. And then they don't put in the structures, the processes and the systems. So part of what we are taking them through, the first thing is change of mindset. And we believe that if we want to change a business, the first thing you do is to change the mindset. Because we know as a business grows, then the founder is not able to be in control of everything.
You find that wewe mwanabiashara uko na idea, but people wako behind wewe hawajui kitu wanafanya. Wako hapo because wanachukua mshahara.
Kenya is tracking towards its goal of attracting 3 million international tourists by the end of 2025.